Would you make me a bundle deal if I buy them all? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Do you know what these initials are? I was trying to see. Is that just someone's initials?
RHM.
Yeah.
Well, it's Robert McGuire.
Yeah, but not H.
What was M? It's an M. Robert Marion.
But this says RH. I
Yeah.
don't know
Are
what
you
that
sure
stands
it's
for.
not an M?
No, it's definitely an H.
It's an H.
It's RHM because there's an M next to it.
Yeah, we don't know.
These are all men's.
I
Yeah,
think
they
so.
should
Yeah, whatever you want to offer to.
There's
We'll
some.
send.
There's some jackets I think that are women's.
Gotcha. Okay.
You know who else might come too?
All right. So these are Pringle Vintage. It's 100% cashmere. Even if you don't sell clothes, always look out for anything that's 100% cashmere or 100% wool. Those usually tend to bring good money. So if you do find those, always look them up.
Yeah, I mean you're in a real. But why do you want to get rid of it today? If I can come back and take care of it.
But I don't want to.
You may not want to sell these. They're dry rotted. So if you go to bend it down, you can see. Sorry,
yeah,
they're
okay.
cracked. I said you may not want to sell them because they're gonna fall. Someone's gonna buy them, they're gonna fall apart.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. I learned that one the hard way before. I bought a pair of shoes, I put them on, and didn't realize they were dry rotted, and then they cracked, and yeah. So anytime you see those like shoes like that, you have to like bend
Really?
bend the center of them to see if they
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Anytime your puppy wants to come over for a play date.
Owen Jackson.
Oh my goodness. Hi, you are just so cute. Perfect size. Perfect little size.
Okay, I think I'm finished.
Oh, are you? What do you need? Oh.
Hi.
Those two. Let me get.
Best part about going to yards is petting the random dogs.
I know. Here.
What is this? All right, can I get some pricing?
Yes.
I'm looking at how much you want for those clothes there.
Okay.
What are you asking for the cassette tapes? And then also these bookends.
Okay, that's 5, 7, and then you want all of these?
Yeah, it depends what you're asking for them. Some country and some
$10 for everything.
$10 for everything.
Yeah. Sold.
Sold. Do you have change for 20?
Okay.
No knickknacks? I missed them.
I love the beer steins.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're made in China.
Bush.
If they were in Germany, that'd be different.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, they're pretty neat.
Oh, I like the shininess of
Yeah.
those. Are they, now those are Japan. Ooh. I was born in Japan.
Oh, that's awesome. It's like #1 on my bucket list to go visit. Were you interested in these beer steins?
No, they're made in China.
No, okay. How much you wanted for these 4 beer steins?
The 4 beer steins?
Yeah.
Oh, another $1.
$1? Sold.
Yeah.
Have $1?
They're cute. They're
They
like
are.
little Christmas ornaments.
Yeah, that's what I was
Cute.
like.
Love that.
They actually, I think they are Christmas
Yeah.
ornaments.
Little
They
Budweiser,
are.
yeah.
Why else would
That's
they have
adorable.
those? Are they
Yeah.
Budweisers?
I think they're Budweiser. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
The Budweiser on them.
Cute.
Oh no, that would be.
That's a collectible.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Got a good deal.
For $1, thank you so much.
You're
So,
welcome.
I like the made in Japan one.
yeah. Another man's treasure. No cigars, comic books, albums, 7 days a week. Ghost Rider pins are cool. Canada.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Saw your sign.
Good, good.
You do you a bunch of comic book stuff?
Any what?
Comic book stuff?
I used to. I had a store. That's
Oh,
what
you used to
all
have a
this-
store.
Yeah.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah, comic books. I think I've got 2 left actually.
What do you got left? Anything good?
Let me go look.
Super classic.
These 2 here.
Web with Spider-Man. Love that cover. Where's your store at?
Was downtown Dade City.
Oh, okay. Thank you. ECDC. What do you have in your records?
$5 each.
Cindy Lauper.
Some guy from New York bought most of them. One of the old wool shirts.
Yeah.
That's an oldie there. That's 1950s.
Prince of Rule.
Definitely keep you good and warm. And it's not itchy at all.
Yeah. What do you got on that?
$5.
$5?
Yep.
Give me $5 for it. Do you have any other stuff that you haven't put out today? Any other collectibles? I know I just see a bunch of the, you know, I saw like pins. I saw like, I know you said you signed some comic books. Do you have like toys at all? Action figures?
We've got the Transformer things over there on that table. You saw those, right? Those are oldie. And they still work too.
Yeah, 2008 ones?
Yeah. Those are 10 for the pair.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with that one. What does it do? It just pops out?
Uh,
Oh, it's like a glove. Okay, gotcha.
1984.
Yeah, I'm not really interested in Star Trek stuff. Appreciate it though.
Star Trek care.
Yeah.
Some people dig that shit.
Yeah, no, I get it. What type of postcards and stuff did you say you had?
Pre-World War II. Mostly military.
Mostly military.
Yep. Real nice set.
What are you asking for those?
I've got 175 cards. They're $200.
$100.
Yeah. There's cards in there worth 100 and more.
I believe it. So.
Red Baron. I've got a whole bunch of really cool stuff.
I was like, I want to look at the pin one more time. Let me see these here.
And that's 2 different Ghost Riders.
Yeah. Yep. One Johnny Blaze and one Danny Fetch.
Yep.
Catch, I mean. And just a little. Do you have any other pins like this?
No.
You what, 5 a piece on these?
Yep.
20 there. Would you do 20 for the bag in this? Do 10 in the bag? Okay,
Yeah, I
cool.
can do that.
This thing's just cool. I don't know what, something about it. I was like getting in the truck. I was like, you know what? If I don't at least make an offer on it, I think I'm gonna regret it. All right, so I got 20 there. Let me keep looking.
Sure, man.
We shouldn't miss anything. Is there any other yard sales close by that you know?
Not that I know of. They're getting far and few between these days.
Yeah, man. Trust me. This is Batman one.
It's oh, that's a 1964. That's an original. I had a dozen of those. I sold every single one for $25, and I found another one.
Huh. What do you have on this one?
You have that for 10.
For 10?
You
1960.
can look them up. They're worth a lot more than 10, man.
I've never seen this one before.
No, you won't. They're rare.
1964. Let me take a look.
I bought a dozen of them about 20 years ago at a flea market.
Is it belt buckle?
Yep.
This copyright 1964 on it.
Yep.
It looks newer than that.
It's not.
No, I believe you.
They were stashed away in some old guy's closet for years. I guess his grandkids or something.
Yeah, the ones I was seeing online were yellow. Like the old Batman logo. Little Rocky button.
Yeah, like X-Files, Rocky, and the other one in there, something. It's a nice watch.
Yeah.
They all have 2-year batteries in them. Right on. Yeah. All those buttons there on the button. I got stamps too if you're into stamps.
Yeah, no. I feel like the stamp market is dying off.
Oh, it's been dying out for years.
Because all the collectors are now super old and
Yep.
no one buys stamps anymore.
No. All the pendants in that one box there, they're all 925 sterling.
Which ones?
Where the Indian head is, and there's a big Superman, and those are all sterling. There's a dragon, a Superman, yeah, those are all 925.
Hello.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry.
Oh, mother. Almost cussed you out. So sorry.
That's okay. It won't be the first time being cussed out, won't be the last, alright? So
You were quiet.
I'm like a ninja. A yard sale ninja. I like your shirt.
Huh?
I like your shirt, the Jeff Gordon. Is that vintage?
Nobody saw it. Nobody saw it. I made the first one. Did you see it?
What's the story in all the jerseys? Did you have a shop or something?
Yeah, I used to work at Fanatic.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Start in.
So these are directly from the company then?
Yes,
Huh, how much you asking for them?
they are. Huh? $5.
$5?
Yeah. What?
Would you make me a bundle deal if I buy them all?
Don't even play with me. Don't even play with me. Hold on, let me see how many.
I think. Here, how about this? How about I just pull a pile of clothes that I'm looking to purchase, and then if you're willing to work a bundle deal with me,
Okay.
I'd be willing to, I'm looking at, actually, how would I move them down to the front?
Yeah.
That'd be easier for you.
That's what I like these little things. Too.
Yeah.
Yep.
I know, I think the Philly one has a stain on it.
Probably from sitting.
Yeah. Look at a Harley shirt.
Yeah, there's Harley Women's right here too.
Oh, cool. I might be interested in that too.
Yeah, Harley's been picked through this morning already, but there might be a couple winners. Ooh, it's hot. That ain't right.
So the Harley shirt here.
Yeah.
What were you asking for the Harley stuff?
Harley stuff $3.
Okay.
But again, if you're doing a bundle,
Yeah.
because you can easily resell them. I just don't have it in me.
Yeah. Country Daytona.
Here's a Super Bowl jacket.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of just the regular Super Bowl.
Me neither.
I don't know why they put it. They produce
Bills?
so much. Oh yeah, it's just a regular sweatshirt, right?
Yeah.
That wasn't new though. That was
Yeah.
used.
This is Bills too, if you're into Bills.
Yeah, maybe. Probably here. We'll see. You got more stuff over here too?
Sports related? Not sure. Sports
Okay.
related. Those are more dress stuff.
Gotcha.
I lost my father, and that's all his church clothes.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
That's why we're doing this.
Gotcha.
There might be some sports memorabilia in that front one, but it'll be women's. I have some cups that say Fanatics down there, but they're not. They're just Fanatics.
Okay.
I got Buccaneer socks right there. We're into that.
These little tote bags.
Yeah.
Do you have the video game system to go with the video games?
Huh?
Do you have the video game system to go with the video games?
No, sold that.
You already sold that? Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't take.
Take the games.
Well, you know, you can't win them all.
Yeah. Well, maybe I'll help you out and take some of the games. I don't know. We'll see. So when I walked up to the yard sale, I saw at the corner of my eye, I saw a whole rack full of jerseys. And I actually, anytime I come across jerseys, I always assume that they're going to be fake. But when I asked her where she got them from, she told me she used to work at Fanatics. So a lot of people don't know this. One of Fanatics headquarters is actually located in Tampa, Florida. So I knew right away that all these jerseys are going to be real, and they were all brand new with tags. And she had $5 a piece on them. We worked out a deal. I bought 17 of them, plus some other clothes. They paid $65 for all the clothes, and then a couple bucks for the video games. And these are, if you take a look at this, Carolina. You know, even has the players' names on the back. Saul. What's this one here? This is New Jersey Devils. But I mean, you cannot beat these. This one had tags on? No, that one didn't have tags on. Oh, maybe they do. Find the sleeves. There you go. But yeah, these are brand new. So I cannot beat that. There's some other ones in here. I did see a Ken Griffey Jr. one. I did see a Ken Griffey Jr. jersey. I mean, there was 17 jerseys total, and there was a bunch of other like Harley Davidson bags and NASCAR hat, Buffalo Bills sweatshirt, and some sweatpants. But for $65, that was an absolute steal. I could not beat that. It was a phenomenal day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe, and as always, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.